All right, we're going to be replacing this side marker with the clear side marker to remove the orange, make it look a little nicer, streamlined, take away any contrast. So let's get started. Pretty quick change. What you're going to do is push back on this. Have to put a little more force than other videos make it seem. So really have to slide back and push back on this side to make the front pop out. And then it comes out. You can see there's just an attachment on the back that you need to get off. But there is a little clip here. So rather than mess around with it for too long, I'm just going to gently lift up on this clip and wiggle this off. So what I did there, the clip that was on here, I just slightly lifted the little clip that slid onto this. So we'll put that there on the side, get the new one, which is going to slide right in as well. Just do the reverse now. So we're going to plug this in. Now before I actually put it back in, I'm going to just make sure it works. So let's get in the car. All right. It's lit up, works fine. So we're good to go and pop it back in. So and that's it, all done. One more test. There you go. All right, it's that simple. If you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, good luck. And it's a pretty simple job. Shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes total. Thank you.